That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Welcome to the 38th Australian Dental Congress. We're really excited to have you here. We've got a world-class lecture program featuring some fantastic international keynote speakers and a broad range of topics. We also have a fantastic exhibition showcasing the latest in dental technology. It's a great time to catch up with your colleagues, people you haven't seen for some years. I really hope you enjoy your time in Adelaide and take away lots of fond memories.
Congress is just it's a meeting of minds. It's a chance to talk to dental professionals that sometimes we might not get to see face to face in the clinic. Behind the scenes, they've been working on it for over, I think, a couple of days, but we've been here madly this afternoon making sure it all looks beautiful for all the delegates tomorrow.
It takes us a long time to pre-plan this. We're always excited if we've got the opportunity to launch new products and new technology at these shows.
We have been doing all this R&D. It's very important to be able to have everything ready and on time, so catalogs, samples, and we're really happy that we are able to showcase it here.
The most exciting thing, I think, is actually interacting with all dentists from around the country. We don't get these opportunities very often, actually, giving them an introduction to our latest products.
Australia being a big country, it's not always easy to catch up with friends, and it's a great opportunity to, I guess, build on that collegiality and collaborate and cooperate, but also learn from each other.
It's my first Congress as a recent graduate, so I'm just looking forward to the experience itself and to learn some new techniques and what's happening with current research.
I love to attend this kind of Congress because they all gathering in all companies and well organized. I love it to meet my colleagues and to know everything updated in dentistry. So I'm so happy, glad to be here.
I love all the Andy Warhol people running around, and it's nice to catch up with people you haven't seen for a long time.
I've been at the last 10 ADA congresses. And the reason I come is I think as a general dentist, it's the best way of being able to keep up with all the different types and aspects of work that I need to do.
I'm giving 4 talks. It's always good to get out of your own field. I'm an oral surgeon, and just learn about what's new in dentistry in general.
It's really positive, there's a lot of people seeing friends that they haven't seen for a long time and catching up. I've got an itinerary planned out for what I want to attend. I'm looking forward to it.
I'm doing one of the lunchtime sessions and speaking about treatment of gingival recession. It should be quite good being able to do more of a small group format, which is more interactive.
I came from Canada, Alberta, and I heard you guys have a great conference here, so I came to check it out. Nice, entertaining drinks, lots of wine, and I had a lot of fun here.
So I've come from England, from just north of Manchester. There's some really good speakers, it's got a great atmosphere, and it's just a lovely place to be.
This is now our 3rd ADA Congress, and yes, it's going to be the best ever. Wonderful people, incredible brains trust in this room, and it's only going to just get better over the next few days.